Here come my dog right here. Look at him. Look at him on deck. My man.
Whose world is this?
Taking over in the landscape of the kicks and copping any bricks off fire you desire. My rock can maybe flip. It's season, you never trip. Get them early, you never miss no bite. But if they hot, make it to the court, they cap. Now welcome to Bobby Sneaker World. Sneaker World, yeah, Bobby Sneaker World. Sneaker World, Sneaker World.
Hey yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy, Bobby Sneaker World, and I am back with another video. This is what us sneakerheads look forward to most. Anytime you get confirmation emails, you immediately start waiting for your tracking number. And you track that number like your life depended on it, like insulin is coming and you got diabetes. You are on pins and needles until that package hits your doorstep. I don't care if it's clothing, I don't care if it's sneakers, I don't care what it is. If it's something that you are, you know what I'm saying, especially these shoes, man, I've been waiting and waiting and waiting on this package to show up. Finally arrived directly from Nike. Now, this box doesn't come, I don't have, it's not, you don't see that Just Do It tape on this box, but it is from Nike. Now, there's no Just Do It tape on this box because this is another Nike by You, Nike ID, whatever you're more familiar with calling these. This is another Nike by You purchase. But before I get into my unboxing or anything like that, if that big button down below is still red, you're doing it all wrong. Make sure that button is gray. Come over here and join the movement. Subscribe to the channel. We're up over 3,300 subscribers at the moment and growing daily. So I appreciate each and every one of you guys. And I also want to give a special shout out to two people. Not that it made it possible, but it made it a lot easier. The purchase of these sneakers was completely free. And it's weird how the sneaker gods work in mysterious ways. So I purchased the Air Max 1 Hunter Green, or I think this Hunter Green anniversary on July 16th, a few days before my birthday. They had a little shock drop or whatever, and they canceled my order. I put the picture up. Nike canceled my order. So somehow, you know what? I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna force Nike to take my money. I was hurt. I really wanted those, but I was hurt. Fast forward a little bit, I ended up winning a giveaway on my man Justin Kick's channel. $120 gift card to Nike, right? Little bit goes by, come to find out, my man Jumper Man Eric, I won a $50 giveaway on his channel. So now I got $170. You know what? I'm going to let y'all be the judge. I've rambled enough. I gave my shout outs. I built the anticipation enough. If you already did fast forward past this part, let's get into this box and I'm going to show you guys what I got. Alright guys, so like I said, this is a Nike by You. I created it myself. And I was kind of being petty when I made these. They got this super taped. You know what? Because I was like, since Nike isn't going to take my money, they're going to be out here canceling orders. You know what I'm going to do? I just create my own Air Max 1. I've done it 2 times before. I can do it again. So for those of you that are not familiar, I won't show you the front because they do put pictures of what you ordered on the box. But this is probably going to wash out, but I'll try to get you the front of the box. There you go, Nike by You. And I'll read you the size label. It just says Nike by Bobby, size 11, and then it shows a picture of what's supposed to be in this box. Now, obviously, I'm just now cracking into it. Y'all seen the UPS man pull up. I do not know. Hopefully, prayerfully, the 2 times that I've done this before, they came out perfect. I'll show those later in the video, but this is the 3rd time. Hopefully, I get the same quality. Like I said, you got the white box. You got this white paper with a bunch of silhouettes all over it, Nike swooshes, different things like that. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Throw this box down here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Bam. You ain't gonna take my money. You know, I'll make my own. I will make. Oh, they messed up my back. They did. Oh, they messed up my back. It's alright. It's alright. I ain't gonna be too pissed off about it. It's alright. But anyway, I'll show y'all. Try to get this close up. Hopefully it'll focus in. Bam. Now, all I did was I just made my own. I made my own Hunter Green Air Max 1 anniversaries. You got your Hunter Green suede all around the the uppers and the mud guard, Hunter Green swoosh, Hunter Green top eyelid up here is trying to focus on my face. But what I was, look at the back. They didn't focus in. It's probably too white. Anyway, if you can't see, I don't think the camera wants to focus in on it, because I'm trying not to focus on it because it's pissing me off. Oh, that is disrespectful. Anyway, the back has Nike Air in white. You can't even see it. It's supposed to be in this Hunter Green as well. They messed that up. They didn't. I changed it. They didn't put it on there. It's on both. Nike Air and all white on the back. But anyway, small things to a giant. You know what I'm saying? But on the bottom, I changed my bottom. I made this entire bottom translucent. Black toe, black heel cup, and white air pocket there, man. I will make my own. Don't play with me. So I finessed Nike and made my own, and I got them for free. Like I said, shout out to my man Justin Kicks, and shout out to my man Jumpman Eric. All jokes aside, that was really, really dope. I know that they were, you know, giveaways and raffles that I had to participate in to even have a chance to win. But it's still dope to be able to, just because I rock with people, to win something for free. I don't just watch people just for give. I don't know if people gonna do giveaways or not. I truly rock with their content. So I just wanted to tell those two brothers thank you, because you are the reason that these are on my doorstep today, or in my hand today, made it to my doorstep today. Very, very much worth the wait. Now, I paused for a second. Let me show you my other two. Those of you that are new that haven't seen the other two that I did create. All right, turn this down. All right, so one that I created, this got like an OG feel to it. You got this void blue, red and blue bottom. You got, for those of you that don't know, I am from northeastern Ohio. You got that 330 kid on the back of these joints here. These came out fire. Then I made the red and white anniversaries myself. You got the red and white joints right here that I blessed myself with. And then I got Mr. Bobby Sneaker World on the back and the OVE on the back of these joints. So I tried to, yes sir. Y'all let me know in the comment section down below, man. How do y'all feel like these came out? I feel like these came out fire. These came out just as good as I anticipated. I'm going to have to go back and make another pair, just because I saved so much money by getting these for free. So things work out the way they're supposed to. Nike didn't take my money the first time, and then I was blessed enough to pretty much get these for free. I wish they would have put my Nike Air in hunter green on the back like I said. But it is what it is. They still came out dope. Like I said, I might do it on foot. I might not. I don't know. You have to stick around to the end of the video to see, man. But I appreciate each and every one of y'all, man. Man, it's been a blessing, man. I'm out of here, man. I'm about to go spend some more money. So, OV!